Geometry perimeter. In the last video, we defined perimeter and looked at perimeter in our everyday life. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the perimeter formula. We defined perimeter as the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. Polygons are shapes made up of straight lines. Irregular polygons are polygons where the sides are all different lengths. So the formula for finding the perimeter of an irregular polygon is adding all the sides together. So if this shape right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, the formula is adding s 5 times. To use that formula, we would apply each side to the measurement. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. We would simply add those together and you end up with 23 centimeters. The same is true for this shape. Again, there are 5 sides, so in order to apply the formula, you would add each one of these sides together. That is the simple formula for finding the perimeter of irregular polygons. Now it can be a little bit different for some of our common polygons like the square. The square is unusual because all 4 sides are exactly the same. So the formula for the perimeter of a square would be s plus s plus s plus s, or we could use our algebraic skills and say 4s, which means 4 times s, because the side s is the same, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 4 times 2 equals 8, which is the same as adding 2 together 4 times. So the perimeter for a square would be 4s. Now let's look at a rectangle. The thing about a rectangle is the opposite sides are the same. So for example, this length is 7 inches, so we know this is 7 inches. Since the width is 6 inches, we know that this side is 6 inches. So in other words, the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle would be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, let's see what that looks like. The length is 7. So this would be 2 times 7 would be 14. 2 times w, the w is the width, which is 6 inches. 2 times 6 is 12. So when we add those together, we get 26 inches. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Here are some regular polygons, and when you're dealing with a regular polygon, all of the sides are the same. So to find the perimeter of the triangle, it would be 3 times the side. For a square, it would be 4 times the side. For a pentagon, it would be 5 times the side. And so on, clear up to a regular decagon, which would be 10 times the side. So in other words, to find the perimeter, you just add up all the sides, or if you have a regular polygon, then you can use multiplication and multiply the measurement of a side times how many sides are in that polygon. Okay, so let's practice. The perimeter of this regular polygon has 7 sides. It's called a heptagon. Each side is 5 inches, so it's going to be 5 times the side. So the side is 7, so 5 times 7 equals 35 inches. Okay, let's try another one. This is a decagon. You can stop the video and see if you can figure it out yourself. Okay, so a decagon has 10 sides, so it's going to be 10 times the side. Each side is 5 inches. So 10 times 5 equals 50 inches. So try this and remember this for all your regular polygons. You just multiply the length of the side times how many sides you have.